Guys, is this heaven? No, it's Pennsylvania. And we are here at the TYM Northeast Campus in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania, and it's awesome. Well, hey there, hobby homesteaders. Welcome back to Peak's Peak. My name's Lucas. We're sharing our hobbies on 38 acres in eastern Kentucky, and you know our hobby involves tractors, and we're a big fan of our TYM tractor. And I got a really exciting invitation a couple of weeks ago, and here I am. And who wouldn't be excited to get out here in the middle of about 1,500 of your favorite tractors to check out what this company has going on? Now guys, you've seen some videos all over YouTube talking about the latest, greatest brand of tractors to hit the US market and how they may put this brand or that brand out of business and all of those things. Now listen, I don't know about all that. I'm not sponsored by TYM, but I bought one and I love it, and so I keep talking about it. Some of you get a little bit annoyed about me making TYM commercials, but because I make those videos, they help to fund everything else that I do on my property because people watch them, because people are researching this brand name, TYM, and they like what they see. And that's why I keep talking about it. So if you're not shopping for a tractor, then this video may not interest you. But if you are, you need to watch, because I'm gonna share with you some of the things that TYM is doing to invest in the US market and make sure that they're here to stay. So while I was shopping for my own purchase, I was doing research on brands, and of course the biggest comment that everybody made was make sure you go with the brand that's going to be there and go with a brand that you're going to be able to get parts for. So I started doing some research on that to see if that might be a concern with TYM, and what I found is they were in the process of opening up a huge facility in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania, where they could assemble tractors and parts and have those available for the northeastern part of the United States. So they're investing in the US economy to make sure that they have the parts available to support all of the tractors that they're selling. And that was something that helped my confidence. Now, in today's market, with all of the tariffs and the trade wars that are going on, you never know what's going to be happening. And so you want to make sure that you're dealing with a company that's going to still be around. But in the tractor market, TYM is full steam ahead, making sure they have everything ready to take care of their customers. And that's a big part of what this facility is. So today, I am going to not only show you around their yard, which is where all of the tractors that they have assembled and ready to ship out to your local dealers, but also inside the facility where they have parts and assembly taking place and all of that. So I'm going to take you inside and show you around this facility so you can kind of see some of the inside workings of what's going on, getting these tractors into the company and getting them to your local dealer so that they can sell it to you. my local dealer, who gave me a good deal on my tractor in order to do a little bit of advertising for them, is Station 23 in Ulysses, Kentucky. And Station 23 has come out of the gate swinging. They're selling a load of TYM tractors. So I'm certain that some of these tractors behind me on this lot are on their way to Kentucky, to customers that are my neighbors and friends. But as I walk around here and talk, look around at all these things that you see behind me, because this to me is really an interesting side of the tractor industry that you don't always get to see. We've got all of these loaders and buckets palleted up, ready to be assembled before they go out to the dealers. That's something that's pretty cool to see. And another thing that I thought was neat was how these tractors are moved around on the lot until they get their wheels and tires. So we've got the T654, doesn't look so big and bad until it has the tires and wheels on it, right? You guys know I had the 4820 and I've got oversized tires on it. Makes that tractor look tough and mean. Well, I feel better about my 4820 next to this 654, but it will get outfitted with whatever tires you order when you place your order and sent to your dealer so that you can get exactly what you're looking for. And if you're looking for one of the best-selling subcompact tractors on the market, well, this is how they look when they arrive. Before they get to your dealer, they come into a location like this where they go inside the plant and they have the machinery to lift these off the pallet and to assemble them and get them ready and do the inspections and get them so that they are ready to be sold to you. And I think this is pretty cool to see. So I'm really excited that TYM invited me to come out here and check out their facility and kind of get an inside look at what the tractor industry looks like and how they import these tractors and assemble them and get them ready for the dealers. And of course, I wasn't invited here alone. Tony's Tractor Adventure, Joe the Farmer, and Brock from Rock Hill Farm are all going to be here for an appearance tomorrow when this is open to the public for customers to come in and see the facility, check out the tractors, find out more about what tractor they might want to buy, and then of course ask us questions about the ones that we own to try to help them make their decisions. I thought this was a really cool experience to get involved in. So I appreciate TYM for inviting me out to do this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, getting to see us walk around the TYM Northeast campus and see what this is all about. I appreciate them inviting me here, and I appreciate you watching the video. So until next time, get outside and enjoy God's creation, because it's beautiful out here. Y'all have a good day.